For whatever reason, I decided that I needed Kapton tape. You might need it also. I found that there's a lot of different sizes, so I bought a lot of different sizes. This here is a 5mm, 10mm. This one is 20mm, and that one is 25mm. And if I do that, you can see it's approximately the same size right there. So that's kind of neat. Now, what is Kapton tape? Kapton tape is used really in the aeronautics industry a lot, and it's also used in a lot of consumer electronics inside. They often will use this type of tape in laptops and e-readers or tablets to sort of tape down wires. This tape is extraordinarily flame resistant and heat resistant. It goes up to, like, forget about it, degrees, and it can also double as electrical tape because it is non-conductive. So you'll often find it like this. There's a wire running inside, and they'll have a piece of Kapton tape going over it, just like that. It's easy to peel. Right here, it peels right up. Mostly reusable, and it holds that wire pretty good. You can see it even sticks to the wire itself pretty good right there. So if I pull it, you know, it takes quite a bit of force to actually pull it and get it to move, and I could stick it down again. So it's interesting stuff. I don't know much more about it. I just said I should have that because I don't know why. So this is just another one of those things you can get like dirt cheap on eBay. This was like less than $1, and the rest were under $2 certainly. And I got a whole bunch of different sizes, different widths of Kapton tape to probably never use, but they're here in case I ever need them. So you might want to consider getting some and find some uses for it. That's really all I have for this one, so I'll thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.